GoSkills training honest review watch before using. Most people get online learning platforms wrong. They think certificates don't matter in the real world. The surprising truth about GoSkills is that it combines bite-sized courses with practical skills and recognized certification, and you won't believe how quickly you can boost your career. Here's how it works. GoSkills offers courses in business, project management, IT, leadership, and productivity. Each course is broken into short lessons with quizzes, exercises, and progress tracking. Completion earns certificates that can be added to your LinkedIn profile or resume. For example, a project manager could complete a short Excel or Agile course in a few hours and immediately apply the skills at work. Most people get this wrong. They assume online courses are time-consuming or irrelevant, but GoSkills focuses on practical, applicable skills. Additional features include lifetime access to course materials, personalized learning paths, and a mobile-friendly interface. Users praise its engaging content, concise lessons, and actionable skills that improve efficiency and employability. However, there are considerations. Some advanced topics may require external resources, and not all certifications carry the same weight as formal degrees. Most people assume online training replaces hands-on experience. GoSkills complements, but does not replace, real-world practice. In conclusion, GoSkills is ideal for professionals wanting flexible, skill-focused learning with tangible results and recognized certificates to showcase career growth. Subscribe for more honest reviews of online training and professional development platforms.